Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today I'm going to walk you through making a floating box gift. This is such a great way to give gift cards, money. It's just a creative, thoughtful way to give a gift. So I'm going to walk you through doing it. It's super easy. So I bought 3 boxes. We have large, medium, and small. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through this and let's get started. Okay guys, so I got a lot of this stuff at the Dollar Tree. We're gonna place that over here. And we're gonna start with the first box. And you'll wanna take like an X-Acto knife. So I have mine right here. We're gonna use, you can use as many boxes as you want. We're gonna just do 3. Let me take out the little silica gel. All right. And the X-Acto knife. So you're gonna get the boxes and you just wanna make sure that they fit inside one another. Then we're gonna take an X-Acto knife and carefully, actually, let's see. Just be very careful you don't cut yourself. All right, so actually that's not so difficult. Carefully. Perfect, that was easy. All right, so that one's done. And we're gonna do this one. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. We have this one. We're going to do the next one. And actually, this one's a lot easier. All right. So I think the trick is to make sure you really get in the corner, right in the center. So I'm getting like right in the middle, and that actually cuts really nice. It just, all right guys, that one's done. We're gonna take this box and we are going to place this one right in here. And then this one is gonna go right on the top. And we need to grab some glue gun. All right guys, so I totally forgot we need the glue gun. So I'm just plugged it in. I'm gonna let it charge for just a bit. We're gonna go ahead and get the handy out and get that ready. What's really cool is you can do gift cards, you can do cash. It works a lot better if you've never done this before to do something that's flat. So like, I got these Kit Kats, things like that. Like you can't do a bag of chips. You really can't do beef jerky either. So you just have to be careful with what you pick because it has to be able to close and you don't want to smush it or smash it. So this is what we got. And I didn't have a lot to choose from because my son actually doesn't like a lot of candy. So this was really hard because I liked the concept, but he'd rather have beef jerky and you can't really put that in there. He does like these though. Pop rocks. Let's see. We're gonna do these. All right, okay, let's go ahead. Just put some on here. And we're gonna go ahead and place this upside down. You want it to be centered. And we're gonna go ahead and just push it down just for a few seconds. And let's go ahead, we're gonna do the next one. I think I need a new glue gun. Let's push this in. Okay. And we're gonna place this right here. There you go. It's that easy. And then we're gonna do the fun part. Let's turn this off. Okay, there's 2. So if you have like a heavy candy bar or something like that, this one's probably best. If you're gonna do like cash or something, I'd probably do this one so you don't tear it. So let's go ahead, we're gonna start putting this together. And I'm just gonna put this up like this so we can work around it really quick. Let's see. All right, so I'm just doing that so we have better control. Let's go ahead and let's use the Dollar Tree one. We're going to just take some of this, and again, this is double-sided tape. And you can do it, you can't go wrong. Just do it any way you guys want. And so let's see here. I'm just gonna kind of center it like that. And do about the same going around so it's uniformed. Okay. And so let's go ahead and move this out of the way. So we're gonna go ahead and just kind of, I like using the weeding tool, this little thing. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and just, let's just do something like that. And turn it. Let's do this. And let's do one. Let's do this. My son's not a real big candy person, so I really just don't want to do a lot of candy. I just wanted to do like cash. We'll do this. And let's do another chocolate. Let's see. We'll do the same so it looks the same. All right. So now we have this. Next, we're going to do the next layer. So I'm just kind of taking this. And then I'm going to have the inside, this one, be the cash. So he sees that first. And we're going to go ahead and cut some more. This is so easy, you guys. And it's so freaking adorable. I'm just doing it on this side. And let's see. Okay, next we're gonna do here. Let's do here. I've even seen people use wrapping paper to wrap around here if you end up finding boxes that you don't really like and you want to make them look better. You can do Christmas wrapping or Hanukkah or whatever kind of wrapping paper, or birthday, you name it, you got it. Let's do this. It is coming together super cute. Okay, baby. Now we're gonna do this one. All right, so you can put like tissue paper in here, so we'll probably go grab that. And let's do some okay, so we are going to take money and do that. So let's just kind of do it like this. And I don't really know how we should do this. If we should do it so he sees the denomination, or if we should roll it up. I don't really know. I bet you could even do like origami, but let's see. Let's see. Maybe something like that. I don't know. I don't really know, because I think it's easier to do gift cards, but see, I like this tape because it doesn't stick too much. So you're not gonna destroy. So that's kind of cute. we'll do that like this. And I hate to do a 50 because honestly, the other day he was paying for some games, and so it was $21. So he meant to grab a 20 and a 1, and instead he gave me a 50 and a 1, and I was like, dude, this is a 50, like, you know. So yeah, he just doesn't pay attention. Not everyone is honest. All right, cute. And the reason he has a 50, honestly, is because he never spends money. He just saves it. Anyway, long story short, I hate to give him a 50 because I don't want him to use it as a 20. All right. So we're doing this, and then I think I'm gonna get some tissue paper, and I'll be right back. Okay, so what would be super cute is like to put like a little tumbler or something here, like a little coffee mug. You can really put anything. I saw that and I thought that was so cute. Let's do just let's see how we can do some tissue paper. What I was thinking is that like shredded tissue paper, but I don't know where that is at the moment. So we are gonna do this. Maybe, we'll see. I don't know how we are gonna do this. Let's see. Maybe something like this. Yeah, that's not bad, and we'll tape it there. I don't know, guys, but let's see. It's not bad. We'll put some candy in there. Let's see. Oh, that's stuck there. Okay, so let's do like this, and then like this, and let's do this. You're probably saying, why don't I get him gift cards? Because he doesn't use the gift cards, they just sit there. So we have gift cards, like, so I don't want it to expire. So at least cash is cash, right? Let's do something like this. Then we don't want it to, I don't know what to put there. I don't think I like that. Let's see. I kind of liked it smushed a little bit. Let's see if this is kind of, I don't know. So we could do something like this. Little Tic Tacs. So we actually need to put this in here as well. We forgot that. Let's do just like here. And we're gonna do just like here. All right. All right, then what you do is just push this together. We're gonna push all of them in, just like this. And you're gonna just use one of the lids, place it over here, whoopsies, just like this. Let's see. That's it, guys. Isn't that so cute? Then all you do is you open it. Bam, there you go. So, what do you guys think? Comment below, let me know. And if you like this tutorial, make sure to give me a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm, and it also lets me know you like this content. And I see you guys in the next one. Bye.